Benefits of doing Pilates 60 minutes every day. Looking for a fun and effective way to take care of both your mind and body? Have you ever considered Pilates? Well, look no further because Pilates might just be the solution you've been searching for. Pilates is a method of exercise that focuses on building strength, improving flexibility, and enhancing overall body awareness. Did you know that Joseph Pilates developed this method in the early 20th century as a way to help rehabilitate injured soldiers and dancers? Pilates exercises are typically performed in a specific order, one after another, with a strong emphasis on technique, precision, and control. The movements have names such as the 100, crisscross, the elephant, and the swan. The practice is based on 6 key principles: concentration, control, centering, flow, precision, and breathing. Pilates exercises are designed to work the entire body, with a particular emphasis on the core muscles, including the pelvic floor and abdominals. Only 60 minutes of Pilates every day promotes muscular balance and alignment, and it can be performed on a mat or using specialized equipment, such as the reformer. Pilates is known for its low-impact nature and its ability to improve posture, muscle tone, and stability. It is often recommended for rehabilitation, injury prevention, and overall physical conditioning. The practice requires concentration and focus as each movement is performed with precision and a specific breathing pattern. While Pilates may not be a high-calorie burning workout, it can be a valuable addition to a well-rounded fitness routine, focusing on core muscles including the abdomen, lower back, hips, and glutes. The exercise offers both therapeutic and preventative benefits. Let's move ahead and take a look at some benefits of integrating Pilates into your daily routine. Number 1. Pilates strengthens and stabilizes the core body. Your core body is the foundation for efficient movement and improved posture. Pilates involves a combination of targeted exercises that work multiple muscle groups at a time. These exercises focus on the deep core muscles, increasing muscle strength and tonality, especially in the abs, lower back, hips, and glutes. This is essential for supporting and stabilizing the body. The slow and controlled nature of Pilates exercises allows for a more targeted approach to strengthening and stabilizing the spine. One of the best things about Pilates is that it works the entire body, from the toes to the head, ensuring a comprehensive strengthening of the core muscles. Number 2. Regular practice of Pilates exercises can increase flexibility. Pilates is known for improving the flexibility of muscles and the mobility of joints through a series of dynamic stretches and movements. The exercises within Pilates are designed to lengthen and expand the muscles, allowing them to become longer and leaner, which can result in increased flexibility and a greater range of motion around the joints. Additionally, Pilates combines strength and flexibility in its exercises, promoting optimal mobility and joint function. The focus on precise and controlled movements in Pilates also contributes to improved flexibility, as it allows for a gradual and targeted approach to stretching and strengthening the muscles. So, practicing Pilates for 60 minutes daily can lead to enhanced elasticity, which is beneficial for overall physical performance and well-being. Number 3. Pilates are great for improving breathing mechanics. Pilates is known for its focus on proper breathing mechanics, as it teaches individuals how to breathe effectively and optimally using their core muscles. The main breathing technique used in Pilates is called diaphragmatic breathing, which involves inhaling into the sides of the ribs and expanding the rib cage laterally, while exhaling through the mouth and closing the rib cage down. This technique not only strengthens the diaphragm and core muscles, but also helps improve oxygenation and circulation by focusing on rhythmic and controlled breathing. Number 4. Reduced stress and anxiety. Pilates is known for its ability to help reduce stress and anxiety, as it involves slow, controlled movements that require focus and concentration. Pilates also promotes mindfulness and meditation, as it requires individuals to focus on their movements and breathe deeply. This can help individuals relax and manage stress more effectively. Regular Pilates practice can help improve sleep quality and can improve concentration and focus, which is essential for mental health and reducing stress and anxiety. Number 5. Pilates can do wonders for your posture. Engaging in Pilates for 60 minutes each day can contribute to sculpting a more defined and toned physique. Daily Pilates practice is its impact on stabilizing the spine. The exercises involved in Pilates often prioritize spinal alignment and engage the muscles that support the spine. This focus on spinal stability can aid in reducing back pain and improving posture. Strengthening the core muscles, including those around the spine, helps in maintaining proper alignment and alleviating strain on the back, contributing to a stronger, healthier spine overall. However, as with any exercise regimen, there are common mistakes that beginners or even experienced practitioners may make during Pilates sessions. Some common mistakes that are done while doing Pilates include clenching your buttocks, zipping up your pelvic floor, or sucking in your stomach can lead to over-tensing your muscles, which may restrict your movement and interfere with the natural functions of your body. Remember, proper breathing is essential in Pilates. Restricting your breath can hinder your performance and the effectiveness of the exercises. Moreover, performing exercises too quickly or rushing through Pilates exercises can compromise form and reduce the benefits of the workout. Last but not least, make sure to maintain a proper posture. Poor posture can lead to reduced effectiveness and potential injury. Pilates thrives on precision and control. It's important to prioritize quality over quantity. Committing to 60 minutes of Pilates daily offers numerous benefits. However, to fully reap these benefits, practitioners should be mindful of common mistakes in order to optimize the advantages of Pilates while minimizing the risk of injury. So guys, if you found these insights helpful and want to explore more about fitness and wellness, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more engaging content. Stay fit, stay happy.